Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Verizon account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser of your choice and on the search URL, type in verizon.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this interface. Now, in order to log into your account, click on login button next to the search bar at the upper right corner of this interface. Once you click on there, a dialog box will pop up. From there again, click on sign into my account and you will get to see the sign in page. Here, enter your user ID or your mobile number associated with the Verizon. After you're done typing in your ID or your mobile number, click on continue and under that enter your password. If you want to save your user ID for the next time you log in, click on this box that says remember my user ID, or in case you forgot your information or your login credential, click on this forget info and that will help you out to recover your account. Now once you're done with typing in your login credential, if you click on sign in, then you will be logged into your account, and that's how you log into your Verizon account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.